mad bastard.
This is awesome. How interesting. This is such a cool scientific experiment to me.
Reaction.
Sontai.
Mr. GM.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hola amigos, halo dunia. Apa kabar semuanya lur? Welcome back to my channel. Masih bersama gue Mr. GM. Nah, kita santai sejenak sambil menonton dan mereaksi video ini yang pastinya masih tetap spektakuler. Terima kasih semuanya. Ingat lur ya, batik simple tapi penuh makna. Yuk tonton videonya sampai habis. Oke lur, masih di kali ini kita akan mereaksi ini sebuah video yang pastinya masih super duper keren, jos gandos banget lur ya. Karena di video ini kita masih mereaksi dari channelnya orang Amerika Latino. Nah, dulurku semua, hari ini kita akan membahas ini satu nama besar yang mungkin sangat familiar bagi orang Indonesia. Ini tapi masih jadi tanda tanya besar bagi dunia luar nih sepertinya ya. Pertanyaannya sangat-sangat sederhana. Siapa itu Jamrud? Nah, bagi generasi Indonesia nih, Jamrud bukan sekedar band ya. Mereka adalah ikon rock tanah air. Ini band yang lagunya dinyanyikan lintas generasi. Dari panggung besar sampai tongkrongan malam nih lor ya. Musiknya keras, liriknya jujur, dan energinya nggak main-main lor. Nah, dan hari ini kita akan melihat nih reaksi orang bule saat pertama kali mendengarkan lagu dari band Jamrud. Tanpa latar belakang, tanpa nostalgia, reaksi murni ini, apakah mereka bisa merasakan energi rock khas Indonesia, dan apakah mereka juga terkejut dengan karakter vokalnya Krisyanto nih ya, atau justru kaget karena kualitasnya setara dengan band rock internasional. Mari kita lihat bersama nih bagaimana dunia luar akhirnya mengenal salah satu band paling ikonik di Indonesia. Jadi penasaran lur ya? Tapi sebelumnya jangan lupa video ini di like, di komen, di share sebanyak-banyaknya, dan mohon channel ini untuk di subscribe. Lebih jelasnya lagi tanpa panjang lebar, kita simak sama-sama. Annyeong. Oke lur, ini dia video viralnya. Monggo. Just.
Yes, guys, I love this band. Jamrud.
We have checked out some of their songs. Everyone was like, well, you have to see them live because we checked out some of their records. So,
Say less. We're here. We're ready for it.
shout out Sounds from the Corner.
Oh ya, aku ingin tanya.
This is
ada
called-
tahun malam hari ini nggak? Acungkan tangan.
Who knows?
Mana? Bener nih, jangan bohong. Asli?
Okay.
Asli?
Asli.
I actually love this guy.
Oke, ini ya buat yang ulang tahun malam hari ini.
As an acoustic guitarist.
Juga ada spesial buat teman gue ya, Dimas Arya yang ulang tahun malam hari ini. Atau ya, selamat ulang tahun.
Sama lang tahun. Let's go.
Hari ini
What the fuck? What the fuck?
He sang that live.
Love that voice.
Karakter suaranya Krisyanto.
bahagialah kamu yang ku beri.
I love him.
Lindungi kamu.
That is so good. Awesome.
Mudah-mudahan diberi umur panjang, sehat selama-lamanya.
Fantastic vocal texture. I think it's such a nice thing to do.
Diberi umur
The
panjang,
bass player has glorious hair.
Bro, I can't believe that's actually what he sounds like live.
I know, right? That vocal texture is actually so iconic, and specifically because it is Indonesia, I feel like it's the only place where I've listened to male
many singers,
texture
yeah.
like that repeatedly across different genres. Because you would think, rock, and you have a, sort of like a fake growl texture to your voice. That would make sense,
Yeah,
right?
common.
But then you see balladeers. Bataknese balladeers like Judika have that also, that growly sort of like texturized vocals, and then you have, you know, dangdut singers, and you can the genre, the plethora of genres that sort of like adventures with texture vocals is so impressive to me because I've never really heard it outside of like rock.
It's and they're very healthy boys.
Yes. Vocally, it sounds like it, like especially because you see the difference between their speech quality on a high sort of like adrenaline set, because when you're performing, your adrenaline is like skyrocketing. See, that makes sense to me.
He's a mad bastard.
Oh, this is awesome. See that texture? I love that. He's actually getting better with age. How is that possible?
I guess that is one of the styles
How is that possible?
that is possible to get better with age.
If it was done in a damaging sort of like technique, he would never be able to sound like that at all, not even remotely close to what he's doing now.
Yeah,
actually, he wouldn't be able to get better. Okay,
That's true.
so that's a very good sort of tell that they're doing it in a healthy way. I don't know what their vocal discipline looks like, especially because rock is sort of that like rebellious.
Get on the drink, you get on the smoke, you get on the a bit of the whiffy, you know what I mean?
You get on the sniff, and then you're also like on we get plenty of women.
Presumably,
and
allegedly, we don't know.
so I don't know what their actual habits of the singer are. However, though, in terms of like the actual performing technique and how the longevity of the band, because this band is not new either.
Wah, ini acara Sun Adrenaline.
They got that. They were like, I need that water. Honestly, what a cool dude. This band is awesome, sir.
Untuk yang ini bisa lebih keras suaranya.
Yes. I love that they're wearing like police uniforms.
Asik, ini lagunya tenar banget lur.
It's bad healthy, bro.
So healthy. Because you hear when he flips, you hear when he changes. That is so great. Even though there is fatigue, he's quite hydrated. He's very well hydrated. Because the bounce doesn't sound dry, you know? How interesting. This is such a cool scientific experiment to me. Honestly.
What's that about the bounce?
Okay, so when you're doing like a fake growl, you need to be really well hydrated because the vibration within the folds, it needs to sort of like happen quite quickly. But if you're dehydrated, it sort of sounds like you're grabbing. And it becomes like there's more friction, even between the false folds. So it's creating that clean, sort of like bouncy sound with the growl. And he does it. He naturally possesses that. Because you can actually hear the crook of the voice sort of bouncing, and that's exactly what I mean. If it wasn't as hydrated as he might be here, speculation, who knows? It would sound like it's sort of like sandpaper scraping.
I see.
See, this sounds quite healthy. This is such a good again.
What's his speaking voice?
It must be quite clear because when he's sort of talking to the crowd, he doesn't actually sound like that. Also, when he's flipping for a more melodic vocal tone, it also doesn't sound like that.
Dia selain main gitar juga dia selalu berpasangan vokalnya dengan aku kan.
That's quite twangy.
Dulu tuh waktu keluar kan banyak spekulasi bahwa Krisyanto
But I think it's
hijrah.
because Indonesia is quite twangy.
Makanya keluar dari band.
Ya itu hijrah. Jadi di talk show ke kampus-kampus begitu.
That's crazy. Fucking smokes.
Well, I'll tell you, you don't know what the actual vocal discipline of the singer might be,
Jesus.
but there must be a ritualistic sort of approach to live performing because you can't be doing that for such a long
The
time.
ritual.
Yeah, the ritual. 3 boxes of cigarettes.
Bro. I mean, I genuinely...
Actually, no.
rock singers are like the biggest enigma to a lot of coaches in the fucking world. Because
Honestly, my biggest biggest thing is like, how did they not get like lung cancer?
No, also like, how are they still singing today?
Oke lur, angel iki angel jos gandos ekel lur wah pakai dos pokoknya lur ya. Seperti biasa lur, video ini kita reaksi atas saran dari dulur-dulur semua yang baik hati dan juga tidak sombong serta rajin menabung. Baik lur, tadi sudah kita tonton bareng-bareng nih dari awal sampai akhir, makanya nontonnya dari awal sampai akhir lur. Ini bagaimana nih reaksi yang benar-benar jujur dan menarik nih. Mereka mungkin baru pertama kali ya mendengar nama Jamrud. Tapi dari ekspresi dan komentar mereka tadi, salah satu hal jelas ini pastinya energi rock Jamrud itu universal. Tanpa perlu memahami bahasa Indonesia secara penuh lur, mereka tetap bisa merasakan kekuatan musiknya, riff gitarnya yang tegas, groove yang solid, dan vokal yang paling kuat karakternya lur ya. Inilah bukti bahwa Jamrud bukan hanya band nostalgia, tapi band dengan kualitas yang bisa diterima di mana saja. Terima kasih bagi dulurku yang sudah menonton. Dan tulis di kolom komentar lur ya, lagu Jamrud mana lagi nih wajib kita putar berikutnya. Dan jangan lupa video ini di like, di subscribe, karena masih banyak nih legenda musik Indonesia yang akan kita kenalkan ke dunia. Yuk sama-sama kita teriakan bahwa video ini adalah Jos Gandos Stop Markoto. Oke lur, bagaimana menurut Anda? Kasih komentar di bawah ini lur ya. Juga silahkan bagi dulur-dulurku semua yang mau request ataupun menyarankan video mana lagi yang mau direaksi, tolong tulis di kolom komentar. Dan juga kita akan mereaksi untuk video berikutnya nanti ya. Dan terima kasih juga untuk channelnya Mbak Woreska yang sudah mereaksi video tersebut sama Mas Efra, keren banget. Sekali lagi kami ucapkan banyak-banyak terima kasih kepada dulur-dulurku semua yang sudah nonton, sudah hadir, dan semoga ini bermanfaat dan menghibur Mas Mbak semua. Dan semoga semua diberikan kesehatan, diberikan kesuksesan, serta keuangan. Jangan lupa lur ya, tetap dukung channel ini dengan cara di like, di komen, di share sebanyak-banyaknya, dan mohon channel ini di subscribe agar channel ini dapat berkembang dan lebih maju lagi 1 km ke depan. Terima kasih sudah menonton, sampai jumpa di video reaksi berikutnya, dan seperti biasa, tetap bangga dengan budaya dan musik Indonesia. Salam santai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Reaction.
Sometimes